You may have defeated my scorpion boss, but I got one more trick up my sleeve. Just give it a sec. Needs to warm up.
Still waiting on that trick. Is it just me, or has Eggman not been bringing his A-game lately?
Maybe our A-game makes his A-game look like a Z-game. Oh, that's much worse if you understand the alphabet. Isn't it?
It does kind of feel like Eggman's just going through the motions.
Rising. Another fine piece of Eggman technology.
Were you born to soar like an eagle, but just can't get off the ground?
I was, and I can't.
You can soar like an eagle.
I can?
Were you born to soar like an eagle, but obstacles just get in your way?
I already answered that, and yes.
I'm Soar the Eagle, and I can show you how to be the best you can be. My amazing seminar will show you how to soar like an eagle. Call now to book me for your next corporate event, wedding, or Sweet 16. Who's ready to soar like an eagle?
Oh, me! I am!
Well then, my mustachioed friend, for the next 38 hours, I'm going to show you how to make today the best day of your life. Until tomorrow comes, at which point that will be the best day of your life. Are you going to accept failure?
No!
Are you going to let obstacles get in your way?
No!
Are you going to push yourself to the limit?
No! Wait, I mean, yes?
Never second guess yourself. No is the correct answer, because you're pushing past the limit. So, what are you gonna do?
Soar like an eagle.
Thank you, everybody. You're all cleared for takeoff. Who has my check?
What to buy? It's also uplifting.
It's all great. You should buy all of it. But if you really want the ultimate Soar the Eagle experience, might I interest you in the Stratosphere package? Which includes my services as your personal live-in guru.
It's a deal. Shake.
Don't touch me. Look at yourself in that mirror. What do you see? What do you see?
A frightened man and a scary bird?
We've got some work to do. It's not easy to pull off those big-time evil victories. That's why we need to get some small successes under your belt to rebuild your confidence.
That'll be $7.95.
No!
Hey, get back here!
No one will believe that you're evil if you don't believe that you're evil. Show yourself how evil you can be.
Wow, Amy, you weren't kidding. That's one big ball of twine.
I'm not sure this will work.
I'm not sure this will work.
Well, if I wasn't a germaphobe, I'd slap you. Now, do as I say and show the world your greatness.
Eggman's been a lot more creative lately, don't you think?
I try not to.
Eggman's got his groove back.
Don't get ahead of yourself. After all, we're only on step 6 of my patented 31-step system.
You're bringing me down, bro. You're like a wall that I need to break through.
Okay, obviously you've picked up a few things from my system, but you really have to listen to me.
No, you listen to me. You're fired. I'll be the best me I can be on my own, thank you very much.
If you think high self-esteem, confidence, and inner peace are things that can be achieved without outside help, you, sir, are sadly mistaken.
All right, I'm ready for takeoff. But where to begin? Should I build a transforming robot, or a hypnotizing robot, or an exploding robot? Maybe I should develop an elaborate, convoluted, multi-step plot to destroy Sonic and all.
Those all sound good, boss.
I can't decide. I'll think about it over lunch. But what to eat? Sandwich? Noodles? Oatmeal? If only I had some guidance.
Why don't you ask that charming feathered fellow? He seems to be guiding you quite nicely.
I let him go. He was holding me back. Well, I'm gonna nap. Where? My bed or the couch?
You know, we haven't seen Eggman in a while.
That's a good thing, right?
I think he's up to something. I'm gonna check up on him. Aha! Caught you just as you were lounging in your pajamas?
Just leave me alone to wallow in my filth and self-pity.
Oh, dude, gross.
I'm afraid Dr. Eggman has been acting quite peculiar since firing that sore fellow.
So he's not planning something huge and diabolical?
Quite the contrary. The only thing he's planning is marathoning through season 4 of Hedgehog Abbey.
I took the knife up to the barrister's flat to give him some biscuits, but he threw them right into the dustbin.
Poppycock! The barrister's a twit! Oh, no, he didn't!
This is the life. No Eggman, no worries. Ugh, I'm so bored. Hey, Tails, need any help?
Not really. Just cleaning some sand out of the gaskets.
Oh, so you want to race?
Sorry, Sonic. I'm kind of busy here.
Oh, come on, race you to the end of the island. Ready, go!
Hey, my papers!
I win! Whoa, way to make a mess while I was gone. Steady. Steady. Oh. I wonder what Amy's doing. What you painting?
A picture to commemorate the anniversary of the first time I painted a picture.
Eggman! Oh, it was just a tree branch.
Sonic, please be careful. This is 100% organic fair trade paint. It's very expensive and very green.
It looks more like pink to me. What was that? No, that's Eggman. He's out there, watching, lurking, watching some more, then lurking, then breaking for lunch, then lurking more.
Ever since Eggman got depressed, Sonic has been making me nuts.
He hasn't cooked for me. He's just been driving me crazy.
If we want to get Sonic out of our hair, we need Eggman back in the game. I never thought I'd say this, but we need to re-motivate Eggman.
The doorbell works too, you know.
We're here to take you down.
Move over, you're blocking the TV.
Next time, it'll be full.
Anybody home? I brought board games.
Sonic, big battle happening in Eggman's lair. You gotta hurry.
I'm on it.
Can you keep it down? I'm trying to watch my stories.
Hey, guys.
Eggman's doing this to us!
You gotta fight him, Sonic! Ugh!
Are you guys okay?
Stop Eggman before he destroys us!
He's not doing anything. Are you pretending he's attacking you?
Amy, cut it out.
Okay, everyone, enough. We were trying to motivate Eggman so you'd have someone to battle.
What a dumb idea.
Hey, lay off her, egghead.
Oh, yeah? What are you gonna do about it?
Give you a stern look and say, yeah, really?
Oh, really?
Yeah, really?
Robots, attack!